Welcome to Motorsports Menia, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, insights, and updates on the most exciting vehicles in the automotive world. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech-savvy driver, or someone looking for your next ride, we bring you detailed coverage on everything that hits the roads. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Civic, a vehicle that continues to set standards in the compact sedan segment. The Civic has long been a favorite among drivers for its balance of reliability, comfort, and sportiness, and the 2025 model takes things up another notch with refined design, enhanced features, and smart technology. The 2025 Honda Civic builds on the success of its predecessor with subtle but impactful updates that enhance both aesthetics and performance. It retains the sleek and athletic profile that Civic fans have come to love, but now comes with a sharper front fascia, updated grille, and more aggressive LED headlights. The body lines are more sculpted, giving it a mature yet sporty appearance. New alloy wheel designs and additional color options add to the visual appeal, ensuring that the Civic looks modern from every angle. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic continues to offer two engine options. The base models come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a respectable 158 horsepower, providing smooth and efficient daily driving. For those seeking a bit more excitement, the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine returns with 180 horsepower, offering a lively and responsive ride. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that ensures smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency. Honda has also focused on improving ride quality and cabin insulation, resulting in a quieter and more composed driving experience. Inside, the Civic remains a benchmark for design and ergonomics in its class. The 2025 model features a driver-focused cabin with high-quality materials and a clean dashboard layout. The digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system are intuitive to use and provide seamless connectivity. The standard screen size is now 8 inches, with higher trims offering a larger 9-inch display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, with wireless connectivity available in the upper trims. A premium Bose sound system, wireless charging pad, and updated climate controls add to the convenience and comfort. Passenger space is generous, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants. The seats are supportive and comfortable even on longer journeys. The trunk offers competitive cargo capacity, and the rear seats fold down to provide additional flexibility for larger items. Honda continues to lead in terms of practical interior design, with smart storage options throughout the cabin that make the Civic an excellent choice for everyday usability. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Civic continues to uphold Honda's reputation for providing advanced safety features across the range. Every Civic comes equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. These features not only provide peace of mind but also contribute to the Civic's strong safety ratings. Driving the 2025 Honda Civic is a refined experience. The chassis feels tight and composed, offering excellent control around corners without compromising ride comfort. The steering is precise, giving you confidence whether you're navigating city streets or taking on the highway. The suspension has been tuned for a balanced feel, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining sporty dynamics. The turbocharged engine delivers brisk acceleration, and the CVT simulates gear shifts well enough to make driving feel engaging. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2025 Civic shines. The base engine is expected to return around 31 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway, while the turbocharged version offers slightly better numbers depending on the trim. These figures make the Civic one of the most economical choices in its segment without sacrificing performance or comfort. Trim levels for the 2025 Civic include LX, Sport, X, and Touring, each offering a progressively richer set of features. The LX is well equipped for its price, while the Sport adds style and upgraded interior touches. The X brings the turbo engine and extra tech, and the Touring trim tops the range with luxury touches like leather upholstery, navigation, and advanced driver aids. Regardless of trim, the Civic provides great value and a premium feel that exceeds expectations for a compact sedan. In terms of technology, Honda has made notable improvements in user experience. The infotainment system is quicker and more responsive, and the integration with smartphones is seamless. Physical buttons have been retained for key functions, which is a welcome choice for many drivers who prefer tactile controls over full touchscreen operation. Overall, the 2025 Honda Civic continues to be a strong contender in the compact car segment. With its blend of stylish design, refined interior, enjoyable driving dynamics, and cutting-edge technology, it appeals to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a fuel-efficient commuter, or a tech-savvy compact car, the Civic delivers on all fronts with the confidence of Honda's long-standing reliability. Thank you for tuning into Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates, specs breakdowns, and in-depth looks at the latest in the auto world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We've got plenty more coming your way.